Want to do your Shimmer taxes fast? Simply import your transactions securely into Koinly and let Koinly calculate your gains and losses accurately and easily. Before we jump in, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not tax, financial, or legal advice. Also, the examples I mentioned might not exactly match your situation. So as always, speak to a qualified professional if you're looking for tax advice. Hello, my name is Nelly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do your Shimmer taxes. Shimmer is a scalable and secure platform. It's known for its smart contract compatibility with Ethereum virtual machine. But if you're making sweet gains with Shimmer, you gotta pay taxes. So Koinly is your crypto tax calculator that can help you do your Shimmer taxes fast. Now, in order for Koinly to calculate your Shimmer tax liability, you simply need to import all your Shimmer transactions into Koinly, which is super easy. To do this, sign up or sign in into Koinly. And if you don't have a Koinly account, don't panic. You can do this completely free and follow along until the very end. Okay, now let's head over to Koinly's wallets page and search for Shimmer. Okay, so we found our ShimmerEVM. So there are two notes here. Some cross-chain deposits of SMR are not reported by the API, and therefore you need to add those manually. If you don't know how to do that, I've made videos on how to manually add transactions. I will leave those down below and in the top right corner of this video. Secondly, liquidity providing for concentrated protocols needs to be adjusted manually. Okay, so now with those two things in mind, let's go find our Shimmer public address. And here is mine. I'm going to copy and paste it and click import. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. And once you've clicked import, wait for Koinly to sync your data. This can take a few minutes, so don't panic. Once you're connected, it's time to see your imported transactions. Head over to the transactions tab to see all your Shimmer transactions. Okay, if you've traded on other exchanges and wallets, which you probably have, you're gonna wanna repeat this simple process and connect them all. Luckily, Koinly integrates with over 850 platforms. And if you ever need a hand, we upload new integration videos weekly. So now with all your transactions imported into Koinly, we are able to view all your crypto transactions to accurately calculate your capital gains, losses, and income from crypto. This also includes DeFis, airdrops, staking, etc. If you have done any staking or liquidity providing, then you may need to tag those transactions manually. And like I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link to our staking and liquidity videos down below and in the top right corner of this video. Okay, now you can head over to the Koinly reports page and you can see how your year stacks up with a free summary showing your crypto totals for the year. The summary is awesome, but to officially file your taxes, you're gonna need a lot more detail. So now for the best part. Koinly produces a stack of cryptocurrency tax reports that cover your year's activity in great detail. This includes calculations and totals that line up with how the taxman wants it. We support over 1 million investors around the world with reports like the IRS Schedule D and Form 8949, plus a report for TurboTax, Tax Act, the UK, Australia, Canada, France, and a complete tax report for just about everyone else. Simply buy a plan from Koinly and download your report. You can file your taxes yourself, or if you work with an accountant, you can share it. Or you can even invite them to your account to Koinly. Lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this report might be deductible. I will leave a bunch of resources down below if you need further assistance with our product. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or on our forum section where users and Koinly support team are ready to jump in.